President Droupadi Murmu has given assent to the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Grameen, that is VBGRAMG bill, officially replacing the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MGNREGA with the Gazette notification issued. The legislation has come into force as the VBGRAMG Act 2025, marking a major change in India's rural employment framework. The Act guarantees 125 days of wage employment for rural workers and aligns employment generation with the national vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, the Ministry of Rural Development said. The government described the new law as a move away from a standalone welfare program towards an integrated development-oriented employment model. A key provision allows states to notify a pause period of up to 60 days annually to ensure the availability of agricultural labor during peak sowing and harvesting seasons. The Act mandates weekly wage payments or payment within 15 days of work completion with compensation for delays. Employment will focus on the creation of durable public assets in 4 priority areas: water security, core rural infrastructure, livelihood-linked assets, and climate resilience. Projects will be planned through Viksit Gram Panchayat plans, approved by Gram Sabhas and digitally integrated with platforms such as PM Gati Shakti. Passed by Parliament last week amid protest, the legislation has drawn criticism from the Congress. Rural Development Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan rejected the allegations, saying this scheme strengthens rural livelihoods with 1.51 lakh crore rupees allocated for implementation.